Hi friends, today we are making another detox juice. It's very helpful to our body. I am telling about C vitamin. The lemon is very rich in C vitamins and we should not eat tablets because they are artificial, and the real lemon is very good for our health, and we should not eat hybrid lemons. They will be big you can identify, and not hybrid lemons means they will be small. You can buy normal lemons from organic shops. Now my mother will come.
Hi Anna. Namaskaram and hello everyone. Welcome to Maitri. What are you making today?
Today I am making a detox juice.
How will you make? Do you know? What are the ingredients?
Yes, I know. We need one full lemon for 2 persons.
Okay, we have a lemon already here.
And we need a half bowl of honey. We need 2 glasses of water.
Okay, we have water here. We'll mix in this and then pour into that, okay?
Yes.
Okay.
Now let us take 2 glasses. And we need, do you want honey? You can add some more honey. Let us add more some honey because this is in a jar. This honey is so sweet. Now let us add a pinch of salt. For 2 glasses we should add 2 pinch. Now let us squeeze some lemon. I squeezed 2 parts of the lemon. Let me mix it nicely. I forgot to tell something. I am also interested to do fasting. That's why I am doing today onwards fasting. While fasting, people drink lemon juice with sugar. It is not good. We should drink with honey only.
Pour in this. Very good. Which one would you like to have? Cheers. Okay.
It's nice.
It's very nice. It's really tasty. You all must try this lemon juice with honey. Lemon juice with honey has multiple benefits. As she has already mentioned, it is rich in vitamin C. It has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. That's why it is also considered as anti-influenza fruit. And when you mix lemon with honey, it detoxifies your liver and flushes out the toxins out of your body. It is also considered as one of the best energy drink. It gives you energy instantly. As it is rich in vitamin C, it fights against infections. So that's why it is very beneficial in cold, cough, influenza and other viral infections. So you must try this drink every single day. You can definitely take this in the summer, and you can also take in other seasons, as it boosts your immunity and it makes you prepared for winter and monsoon infections. It is a good blood purifier. It cleanses your blood and keeps you very healthy. And if you drink it every day, you can see the difference in your skin also. It glows your skin.
I forget to tell something.
It's a
These oranges are very good for health and D vitamin also. You should
C vitamin.
C vitamin,
Huh?
C vitamin and D vitamin. That's why you should make daily orange juice.
Lemon honey water has multiple benefits, from detoxifying your body to weight loss and even reducing the risk of cancers. Let's see how. Lemon honey water helps in digestion. It helps in easy breakdown of the food, whatever you intake, and ensures the absorption of the nutrients. It also relieves constipation, improves digestion, and reduces the bloating, flatulence. Lemon honey water promotes weight loss by increasing the rate of metabolism. It helps you to lose weight in a healthy manner and also helps you to maintain your weight. It helps to flush the toxins out of your body along with the free radicals. With the modern lifestyle, unhealthy eating habits, pollution, harmful chemicals all around, best and simple way to detoxify your system is through simple lemon honey water. Lemon and honey both being rich in minerals, it keeps your body alkaline. With both of their antioxidant and antimicrobial properties, it improves your immunity also. And it is a great diuretic. Hence it works wonderful in case of high blood pressure and swelling in the feet, which is otherwise called as edema. It helps to maintain the electrolyte balance in your body and keeps you hydrated. Both honey and lemon together can effectively prevent the formation of the kidney stones. It may also be beneficial in reducing the cholesterol levels and preventing the heart diseases. It cleanses the liver. So try taking this lemon juice early in the morning in empty stomach for maximum benefits. At the same time, it detoxifies your kidney also. That's why it is considered as one of the best detox drink.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. If you don't hit the bell icon, the videos will not come.
So remember to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you will get the notifications whenever we post the video. Thank you for watching till the end. Stay healthy and happy. See you in the next video.